Okay, this is how you use the roller. You see this? This is the seat. You sit on it, and then you see these pedals. You put your feet on the pedals. Whether or not you want to wear shoes on, whether or not you want to wear shoes when you're using the roller is up to you. So you just put your feet on the pedals and start. You see this bar? Yeah, you pull on this bar, and then you roll back and forth like that. This is the rower. See? That's all you gotta do. Don't worry about don't worry about this little thing right here because don't worry about this little thing right here because it doesn't work good. So we don't bother trying to use it. So yeah, don't worry about this little thing right here, this digital thing right here, because like I said, it doesn't work that good. So we don't use it. So all we do is use the roller. You use the roller like so. And this dial, don't worry about the dial either. You just ignore it and just keep rolling. You use the roller for leg work. And that, my friends, is how you use the rower.